Okay, so this video, I'm going to be changing these rocker panels on this old Buick. I think it's a Buick Le Sabre. We gotta fix this rust here. I'm probably gonna just put the whole rocker on, and I might have to do something up here. The rocker doesn't go that high, but gotta get this fixed up for safety. Let's see what it looks like on the front. Let's see. Yeah, the front. So I'll go all the way. I'll use the whole rocker panel on this side. Looks like the guy was starting to grind on it. Maybe gonna fix it himself. But have a look at the other side. Yeah, it's a let's see here. Right now it's got to dry off. I'm going to put it on the lift. So yeah, this rocker, it's a little rusty up here. Yeah, it's rusty all the way. So yeah, this series of videos, I'll show you how to put rockers on with Fusor 108B glue. It works pretty good. So I'll just end this video for now, and we'll get ready to put the rockers on.